Hi, I'm attorney Nick Nemeth, and the question today is, do you know when the IRS can send you to jail? One of the first things that people ask me after I hear out their IRS problem is, well, what do you think? Is the IRS going to send me to jail? That's an easy question really, because the answer only really has two criteria. Did you file your taxes or did you not file your taxes? If you've accurately filed your taxes but you just haven't paid the tax, you cannot get sent to jail. Owing the IRS money is not considered a crime, but don't break out the bubbly just yet. Although jail time is arguably the worst thing that can happen, it's not the only punishment from the IRS that you should be wary of. By not taking action and facing your IRS debt problem, you could be looking into the ugly eyes of wage garnishment, seizure of your real estate, seizure of Social Security funds, seizure of 401ks or IRAs, even seizure of cars, boats, homes, accounts receivables, cash value from life insurance, or even seizure of commissions that are owed to you. It's not too pretty, is it? If you've filed your taxes accurately, but you just can't pay them, there is hope. There are generally 6 ways we can get you out of hot water, pay your debt to the IRS, and avoid those particularly nasty consequences I just mentioned. Not filing your taxes is considered a crime by the IRS. You can receive 1 year of prison time for each year that you don't file. Procrastinating only makes your chances of doing jail time that much worse. The IRS doesn't take kindly to those it has to chase down, and they will eventually chase you down, trust me. It doesn't matter if it's been a few years and it seems like you've somehow slipped through the cracks. You haven't. Don't believe that you can somehow get off footloose and fancy-free if you haven't filed your taxes. Slipping through the cracks just doesn't happen. However, the more willing you are to come forward and face up to your problem and seek a solution, the more likely it is that the IRS won't even threaten prosecution. Why go through life being paranoid, looking over your shoulder, wondering when the IRS is going to jump out from the bushes and finally call in your chips? Life's too short to live this way. Even if it's been years since you filed, you can get the IRS monkey off your back once and for all, even if you feel your situation is hopeless. However, in this situation, it's a very bad idea to go it alone without proper legal representation. Chances are good if you waltz into an IRS office and try to work out a deal, you're going to end up saying something that you'll regret later. Seek an experienced, aggressive tax attorney's help if you are a chronic non-filer. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to call 972-484-0829. Thanks.